Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to send HD photos on Messenger. So first of all, launch Messenger app on your mobile devices. Once you come here, open any conversation you wish to. Now, once you come here at the bottom left corner, you'll see a gallery icon or icon of photos. Tap on it. With that, your gallery will be opened. Now choose any picture you want to send. I'm gonna tap on this one. Then at the bottom left corner, tap on the option of edit. Now again, at the bottom left corner, you'll see the option of HD, which is turned off. In order to turn it on, simply tap on it. Now you can see that the HD mode has been turned on. Now, simply tap on the Send button at the bottom right corner. You can see an HD sign at the top of this picture, which means that this photo has been sent on HD mode on Messenger. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.